So I'm here in the Pineal room making a lovely mask, face mask, made from sea moss, of course. So you know, this one now is a combination of turmeric, spirulina and chlorella, sea moss, and you know, a few other magical ingredients. So this one definitely will give you, I'm going to give you another secret. Coconut oil is in it as well, so you know, deep skin penetration will occur and a lot of defoliation, antioxidation, it will definitely rejuvenate the skin. You realize how long I've been on the road with the sea moss business. Now it's cleanup time, purification time, and you will see how I use sea moss to do all of that right before your eyes. Making my own products, homemade, handmade. Your skin eats, so you must feed it edible nutrients. Alright? Yes, bruh. Yes, Empress. Lovely. And then I will let my face eat this for about 45 minutes. Alright. So here you got it. Your turmeric, spirulina, chlorella, sea moss face mask in the Pineal room. See you.